Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore backup and how to transfer data on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Okay, so let's begin. So I just resetted my phone just to show the whole process, and also I'm gonna tell you if you don't know how to create a backup. There's a video on our channel when I'm describing the whole process, so if you want you can look for it. Okay, so now in here simply select your language, in here click on next. In here you need to agree to end user license agreement, but I'm just gonna click on agree to all, then click on next, and now we have easy setup with another device. So that's the first thing I'm gonna show you. So click on Galaxy or Android device, or if you're using iPhone or iPad, click on the second option, but I'm gonna be needing this one. And now we need to scan this QR code with your old phone or tablet, so that's what we are gonna do now. So with me I have another Android device, as you can see, and now we need to scan the QR code. Actually we don't need to do this because the phone automatically recognizes the phone, and we have set up Galaxy A26 5G. So let's click on setup. Now click scan the QR code. Okay. And now we need to wait. Now the Galaxy is connecting to the Wi-Fi, so we need to wait a little bit. Okay, now we need to copy the Google account, so we need to enter the same password to this Google account from this phone. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So just give me a second. Alright, then click on next. The copying account process is still going. Okay, and now we have copy data from your Android device. So let's click on next. Agree to transfer data. Click on allow. So we want to do this wireless. In here click on let's go, and also wireless, and now both of the devices should connect to each other. Okay, click on accept. And now the copying process has started, as you can see. Okay, now we need to select data to transfer. You can select on everything or just calls, contacts and messages. I'm gonna leave on everything. Now click on next. And now the process should start. Okay, I'm gonna skip these. Okay, in here click on accept. I'm also gonna turn on backup. Okay, then click on next. In here select your default browser. In my case it's gonna be Google Chrome and the Google as a search engine. Okay, now we have the Gemini. I'm also gonna turn that on. Okay, now we have the Samsung Google account. You can sign in right now, but if you don't have the account, simply click on forgot password or don't have account, and you can set it up later in settings or create it right in here. So for now I'm gonna do it later. In here you need to accept to terms and conditions. All of the options below are optional, but I'm gonna agree to all of them. Okay, in here click on agree. Okay, in here click on next. And as you can see, you're all set up. So click on home. In here you can click on continue or do it later. I want to exit the setup. Okay, and if you see right in here, we are in the 98% of transferring. And also the Play Store is currently installing the apps. Okay, so that was the first method. Okay, and now let's go with the second method. So again, we are in the setup process, but now we're gonna skip the Galaxy or Android device and we're gonna click on setup manually. Okay, now we need to choose the Wi-Fi network, so I'm gonna log in. So just give me a second, I need to type my password. Okay, now it's connected. Now we need to wait. I don't know why it says slow connection. Okay, and now we have option to copy apps and data. So again, let's click on next. And now we're gonna click that we can't use other device. Okay, now the checking info process has started, so we need to wait a little bit until it's finished. And now in here we need to log in into our Google account. And we're gonna use this option to restore from the Google backup from Google One, actually. So remember that you need to log in into the same Google account on which you created a backup. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Simply type your email, then click on next. Now you need to type your password. Okay, once it's done, again click on next. Now the phone asks us who is going to use this device. I'm gonna be using this device, click on I agree. Okay, and now we have option to restore data from another device. So in here, as you can see, I have a bunch of backups of different phones, but in here there's a Galaxy A26 5G backup, which I made 20 minutes ago, and I want to restore this specific one. In here you need to choose what to restore. In my case it's gonna be contacts and the device settings. So then click on restore, and the restoring data process has started. I don't want to protect my phone for now, so I'm gonna click on skip. In here, click on accept. Also, I'm gonna turn on the backup. Okay, now we have our AI, which is the Gemini. I'm also gonna turn that on, but it's not necessary. Okay, getting your phone ready. This might take a few minutes, so we need to wait until it's finished. Okay, now we have the Samsung account. We don't need to sign in right now. There's option to sign in with Google, email or phone number, or sign in with the QR code. And the last option is forgot password or don't have an account. In here, you can create account. You can click on forgot ID if you forgot it, and click on forgot password. But you can set it up later in settings, so that's what I want to select right now. In here, click to skip. In here, you need to accept terms and conditions, but I'm just gonna click on all. But those three options are optional, as you can see. Okay, in here, click on agree. Choose your display mode right here. I'm gonna leave the light one. And we need to wait again. Okay, now click on next. Okay, as you can see, we are all set up. Click on home. And now the phone is ready to use. Okay, so that was the second method. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you the last option. So we need to go into our settings. Now we need to type in the search bar, simply type backup, click on accounts and backup, and here we have the three options. So we can backup from the Samsung cloud if we have a backup right in there. click on Restore Data, and then simply select your Samsung A26, and then the restoring process will start. Okay. Next thing is from the smart switch, and it's external storage transfer. So now you need to simply plug in your SD card or another device on which you have your backup. Now it should launch, and now we have option to restore from USB storage. And now the process, as you can see, has started. In here, select data to restore. I'm gonna select on everything because it's only 1 megabyte, because I only have contacts and calls on this backup. As you can see, 27 contacts. So now we need to wait. Okay, organize secure transfer data. You can now disconnect your external storage. Now click on next. As you can see, it's all set. And that's all. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.